Good morning, children. Today we are going to start our next chapter, that is adjectives. So as you all know what are adjectives, adjectives are that part of speech you have already known, you have already written about it, which describes a noun or a pronoun. Okay, for example, here if you see in your book there is an example given here saying Madhuri has short hair. Now we are talking about whom? We are talking about Madhuri, and here there are two nouns. Okay, first one is Madhuri. Madhuri is the name of a person, and hair. Okay, hair is also the name of a thing. So what kind of hair? What kind of hair it is? This is uncountable noun though. So what kind of hair does she have? It tells us about a noun or pronoun. Adjective tells us about a noun or pronoun. So what kind of hair does Madhuri have? She has short hair. Then here it is written Vinod has bought a new motorcycle. Suppose we remove Vinod and we write he. Okay, that means we are talking about a pronoun. We don't have a name. If we are removing Vinod, then we are talking about a male, a boy. Okay, by what we can know, that is, if we put the in place of Vinod, if we put he, that means we can know that it is a we are talking about a boy. So he has bought a new motorcycle. Again we have two nouns here, that is one is pronoun actually. He is a pronoun, and what we are talking about, what in relation to him we are talking about his motorcycle. So he has what kind of motorcycle? He has bought a new motorcycle. Okay, now coming to adjectives kinds. What are the kinds of adjectives? I think in the previous class you had already got the kinds of adjectives, that are adjective of quality, quantity, number, then demonstrative adjective, distributive adjective, interrogative adjective, and possessive adjective. Okay, 7 are there. Now first of all, quality. Just now I said na, what is the quality of hair of Madhuri? She has short hair. Just like that, that tells you about the quality of Madhuri's hair. Then quantity. Now remember one thing, you might sometime get confused between adverb of quantity and adverb of number. Don't be confused. In adverb of number, specifically the number is mentioned, 1, 2, 3, like that it is mentioned, but in quantity it is not mentioned, and quantity are not countable. Okay, for example, if we see little, all, much, enough, great, some. I need some advice. How many advice? Advice can be counted? No, it cannot be counted. Then these adjectives of quantity are also used with those kinds of noun which are uncountable. Okay, so little, all, much, enough, these things are non-countable. It is not countable. Then we have adjective of number, they are countable. Okay, for example, 10, many is countable. You can count how many books are there. Okay, but you cannot count how much sugar can be there in a jar. Then what else is there? Yes, 10, many, several boys, you can make like that. So then few boys had been talking in the class. So few boys. So those boys we can count. Some. In some cases, some can be counted, and while you just have to see with what noun it is used. Okay, in that case you can understand that if it is adjective of quantity or it is adjective of number. You can understand by that. Then demonstrative. This, that, there, those, some, such, like this. Very nicely the examples are given here. Then distributive. Distributive always consists of this. Okay, each, every, either, other, neither, like that. Interrogative, I don't have to explain, that is already containing of question mark. That means which will be questioning you, that is itself interrogative adjectives. And possessive adjectives means something which is in possession. This is my book. This is my pencil. Whose pencil is this? My pencil. So my is the word which is your possessive adjective. Okay. Then let's come to this formation of adjectives. You will see here there is a list given here how the adjectives are made, from nouns, from verbs, from other adjectives. There all these things are given. You will see this. And then comes degrees of comparison. For this I'll make another separate video. First you go through this. And the correct use of adjectives, that is actually it's containing within what to say, determiners. Okay, we'll talk on determiners, then we'll get it. Okay, so after this, after you have gone through the video, I'll tell you, let me first you see the video, you watch the video. That is just a form of revision for you. After you go through the video is done for you, then I'll tell you what you have to solve from the question. Yeah, okay. So I hope you have understood. It's already understandable for you because you have already got in the previous class itself. So just get a quick revision of this, and then I'll tell you what you have to do. Okay. So yeah, till then stay safe, and thank you.